In this video, I will give you all the answers to the Fetch.AI quiz on Coinbase. So if you want to learn and earn $3 worth of FET, make sure to keep watching. Now the first question is, what can people create with Fetch.AI? And the correct answer is software agents that automate tasks. And now you've got $1 already. The second question is, what's one role of the FET token? The correct answer is to power Fetch.AI agents. And the third question, what does Fetch.AI plan to support in the future? And then you want to click on the correct answer, and that is in this case automated interactions with industries like travel and healthcare. Now that's all. If this video helped you out, let me know by leaving a comment, and if you want to learn all of the other questions to the Coinbase Learn and Earn quizzes, make sure to watch these videos that are on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.